Hello, it is your girl Lizzie and I'm like, what is your beef? Just kidding. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lizzie, aka Lizzie. So I did a poll on my Instagram asking, what did I ask? I asked what palette y'all wanted me to do a look with, and this ColourPop Meant to Be palette won, and this is the look that I created. I know it's a little out there and different, but it's good to get out of your comfort zone every once in a while, especially since we're all quarantined right now. It's good to just do something fun and play with makeup and do some art on your face, you know. But yes, if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. Hello. I already said hello, right? Yeah. Okay, so I already did this side and I already went ahead and did my eyebrows. So we're gonna do this side and hold up, let me go get my eye base because I forgot it. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna be using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. Like always, you guys, this base is so good. I did compare it to just using concealer and I could tell the difference. It's crazy. Oh, I forgot my foundation. Oh, I'm just gonna use my finger to tap this out. So first I'm gonna go in with the shade Chill Factor, which is this dark green right here. Such a pretty color. Now I'm gonna be using the Morphe E17 brush. I'm gonna take it on there. And first we are going to apply it to the outer corner and then bring it up to the crease. Y'all, I feel like this quarantine stuff is, I don't know, like I am just eating like crazy. My double chin is showing. I did work out at home, I think 2 or 3 times this week, but obviously it's not enough. I'm eating more than I'm working out. So I really have to stop that. I'm just applying this all around. I'm going to take it up a little higher right here. Next week, I'm really going to get on it. That's what I say, but I don't. But I do want to start working out more, since we can't go to the gym, so I'll just be working out here. And I am building up this color just because it's so light, and as you can tell, I'm just pressing it on there. Next, I'm taking the Morphe RG24 brush, and there's nothing on here. I'm just going to kind of lightly blend this out. I don't want it too blended. I know, who says that, huh? But this is just the type of look I'm going for today. I took a little more of that green again and just building up that color. Am I blocking the camera? I'm such a mensa. Okay, next I am taking this little brush, it's the one that goes with all the Anastasia palettes. I'm going to take the shade Get Fresh and mix it with seltzer. Like Alka-Seltzer or what? Okay, and I'm just going to place that on my lid. Let me use my other mirror, y'all, because I feel like I'm blocking the whole camera. And I'm not using my big old mirror today either. Okay, so this color, I do want to take up kind of high, just so it can make my eye just look more open, because I feel like my eyes are kind of droopy, so this will help with that. I feel like it makes them look bigger than they actually are. I am bringing it in pretty far, like right here. I'm gonna take that brush again that we used the darker green And I am going to just go over all of that and blend this in right here. Oh guys, I thought I did not push the record button and I got so scared. And I'm rounding it out again. But notice how I'm doing it with a very, very light hand. I feel like this side is darker than this side. I feel like it's good to do these like funky looks to have fun with every once in a while. Get out of the normal, you know? The matte eyeliner, I love this eyeliner. It's so good. I'm just gonna do a little baby wing on the outside. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. So just right here, little tiny baby wing. Then we're just gonna bring it in to like right there. I'm going to take my eyelash curler, and I need a new one because mine's a little bit broken. It's like I have to do it myself. Anyways, I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I'm not putting any like lash strips on. I'm gonna do individuals today. I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Essence I Love Extreme. You guys, that mascara is so freaking good. And I think it's like $3 or $4. I'm gonna be using the Ardell Individuals, and it's the knot free. It's the knot free ones, so they don't have like a little knot up here. And I'm just gonna take them and add a glue, and then start sticking them on to like the outer corner. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my lashes and my foundation. I'm gonna set all of my concealer with this loose powder by ColourPop, and I'm mixing the shade Translucent and Banana. And I'm just going to set my concealer really quick. I always have these creases under my eyes, no matter what I use or what I do. I'm just getting old. It's so sad. I don't know where I belong, because sometimes I be forgetting Spanish words and sometimes I forget English words. So I just like, if there's an in-between, that's where I belong. Because then I start trying to mix words together. I'm just like, what? Once I have set my concealer and foundation and all of that, I'm going to bronze up my skin. I have these little bronzers. I can't remember if I showed you or not. But they're by ColourPop, and I just mix those. And I'm just going to bronze up my skin with that. And make sure that you're like going up. So we're just lifting everything. Take my Hoola bronzer, just because it's more of like a grayish tone, I feel like, than the other ones. And that's what I'm going to contour with. This is the Morphe M437. It is my favorite brush to contour with. It just glides on. I just want everything to look snatched and lifted. Because I told y'all about my double chin situation. So we gotta do something about it. Okay, so for blush, I want something super duper pinky, just because I feel like blues or like greenish, whatever. I'm telling you, I don't know how to talk. I feel like minty colors or like blues and greens look really pretty with pinks. So I'm gonna take Whistle While You Work and Very Graceful. This is by KKW and this is by ColourPop. And I'm just gonna mix those and apply those to the apples of my cheeks. Back to the eyes, I'm gonna use a white eyeliner to line on my waterline, just so we can really make them pop and appear bigger. Because like I said, I have like small droopy eyes. This part always makes my eyes water because it just tickles. Okay, cute. Now taking that meant to be eyeshadow palette again, and why am I always forgetting to get brushes for this? I'm gonna take Chill Factor, which was that first green shade that we went in with, and I am going to apply it under that white with this little pencil brush. Do the other side. I'm gonna take I'm gonna take Seltzer, tiny bit of Get Fresh, and then just go under that, just to brighten it up a bit. Then for my inner corner, I'm going to use the shade, hold on, let me swatch these. I'm gonna swatch Play It Cool and Mojito Mommy, which is like the shimmery shades. Ooh, that one's pretty. I forgot which one I did on what finger. Bye. Okay, I think that's right. I think I'm gonna go with, oh my gosh, I don't know, that's so hard. Maybe we can just mix it. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix it. And that's what we're gonna use for the inner corner. With that same brush, I'm going to apply it to my inner corner. Oh yes, that is so pretty. I went in and added a mascara to my bottom lashes. Make sure you do that because it's going to make a huge difference once you add that mascara. I'm taking the lip liner Curvy and I'm going to line my lips. It has kind of like a pinky shade. Let me use this mirror. I'm just going, so I like to make my lips look bigger than they are because obviously they're super small. So down here, I do bring it lower, like under my lip line, and then I just kind of connect it. So I don't bring it all the way out down here. That way you can't tell. I just want it to be more plump down here at the bottom. So we have that little pout. And then for right here, I'm going to round it out in my Cupid's bow. And then bring it up. But still follow the line on the sides. So if you cannot afford lip fillers, me. This is a perfect little trick. For lips, I'm going to use Speed Up. I love this pink. It's a liquid lipstick and it stays on all day. And I wanted to do more of like a pinky so it can kind of tie in with the blush that we used. And I'm just going to tap that in. So I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer, just put it on the back of my hand, and then I don't have my brush here. I'm just gonna use my finger. And I'm going to apply it to the center. Like so. See how it just like brightens that up more? Now we are going to take our setting spray and just set our foundation. Just set our makeup. Let it dry. Let it dry. And then spray it again. I'm running out. Okay. Just kidding. Okay, so that is it. I hope you guys liked it. Please remember to stay safe and stay inside. If you do not have to go out, do not go out. Also, quit being stingy and leave some waters and food and other stuff for everybody else. There is no need for you to hoard all this food. There's plenty to go around, so just be kind. And yeah, I mean, you guys are just stuck at home and have nothing to do. Get your makeup out and just play with it. It's a good little distraction. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see next. If you do not follow me on Instagram, follow me. I always do polls to see what you would like to see next. And yeah, I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.